Welcome to our crash course on communication versus sequence diagrams for software system design. This video is for software developers, architects, and anyone involved in software system design. By the end, you'll clearly understand when and why to use each diagram, helping you communicate your designs more effectively and build robust systems. When designing software systems, effectively communicating the interactions between components is crucial for successful development and collaboration. Two common UML diagrams used for this purpose are communication diagrams and sequence diagrams. Both illustrate object interactions. While both illustrate object interactions, they offer different perspectives and trade-offs in visualizing how components work together. First, let's explore communication diagrams, formerly known as collaboration diagrams. Communication diagrams emphasize the structural organization of objects and their links, showing how objects are statically connected and what messages they send to each other. Their advantages include a clear focus on object relationships, easier for simple interactions, and providing good context for participating objects. However, they can become cluttered in complex interactions and lack lifelines, which are crucial for visualizing object existence over time. Now, let's move on to sequence diagrams. Sequence diagrams, on the other hand, focus on the temporal order of messages exchanged between objects. They emphasize the precise sequence of events and how objects interact over time. Their advantages include a clear chronological order of messages, excellence for detailing complex interactions, and visual lifespans that depict object creation and destruction. Disadvantages include less emphasis on static object relationships, and they can become vertically long or horizontally wide for extensive or numerous interactions, potentially obscuring overall structure. Understanding the trade-offs is key to knowing when to use each diagram. Let's compare them. The communication diagram's primary focus is on object relationships and message exchange, highlighting static connections and system context. Conversely, a sequence diagram's primary focus is on the temporal order of messages and object interactions, excelling at detailing chronological flow and complex interactions. Use a communication diagram when you want to highlight how objects are connected and exchange messages in a structural context, especially for simpler interactions where static relationships are important. Use a sequence diagram when you need to illustrate the precise chronological order of messages and how objects interact over time, particularly for complex and detailed interactions where timing is critical. In conclusion, the choice between a communication diagram and a sequence diagram depends on what aspect of the software system design you want to emphasize. Each diagram offers a unique perspective. The communication diagram reveals the static structure, while the sequence diagram lays out the dynamic flow of interactions. Often, using one diagram is sufficient to provide an understanding of a software system's design, although each can offer a unique and valuable perspective.